Hello, my name is Mayol Kwalakwibeng. Thank you for the opportunity to talk about virtualization technology. Basically, I will talk about the VM, which is also known as a virtual machine in full. So, first of all, I will define the meaning of the virtual machine, and then secondly, I will talk about the core component of the virtual machine, and then the third one, I will talk about how these virtual machines is useful in business, and then the last one is the summary. So first of all, the virtual machine is a computer inside another computer. It is not a physical computer. Yes, so it is created using a software. So and allows this VM allows a physical computer to run many operating systems at the same time. Yes, so that is what I know about the virtual machine, and that is the introductory part. Now I will explain the core component of the virtual machine, and I remember like 5 of them. The first one is the hypervisor, which is, you can pronounce it as hypervisor. Yeah, so the hypervisor is the main software that creates and controls the virtual machines. It decides how much CPU, the memory, and the storage each VM can use. So without the hypervisor, virtual machines cannot actually run. So yes, so the second one is the virtual CPU. This is the processing power given to the virtual machine. So it allows the VM to run the programs and complete tasks. So those are the function of the virtual CPU. The third one is the virtual memory, which is also called the RAM. So each VM gets parts of the physical computer's memory. So, and this memory helps the VMs run the application smoothly. So the fourth one is the virtual storage. Yes, the virtual storage. So we need to know, like the virtual storage, each VM actually uses the hard disk. This is where the operating systems, the files, and the programs are stored. The operating systems, the files, and the program are stored in the virtual storage. So the last one is the virtual network card. The virtual network card allows the VM to connect to internet or to other virtual machines. It actually works like the real network cable, but it's a virtual one. Yes, so now the next part is I will explain how the virtualization is useful in business, in the businesses. Yes, so the first one, it helps reduce the cost. Instead of buying many physical servers, the company can just use one powerful server and create many virtual machines. So that actually saves money and electricity and also space. Yes, so the second one, it helps, the virtualization helps the business with disaster recoveries. For example, if a server crashes, the company can quickly just restore the backup copy of the virtual machine. Yes. Then the third one is this virtualization helps with security, because we know that each virtual machine is separate, and if one VM or one virtual machines gets virus, for example, it does not automatically spread to the other ones. So that means the other virtual machines will be safe. And then the fifth one is it helps the next one is actually help the business to grow. If the company needs more power, the IT can increase the memory for the VM without buying the new hardware immediately. Yes. So in summary, this virtualization helps the business save money, improve security, and actually works more efficiently. Yes. That is all about the virtualization technology. Thank you for listening.